Welcome back to Don's Life. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining today. It is super early in the morning. We are headed to Minot, North Dakota, here from Saskatoon. That's right, we're going on a road trip to pick up truck parts. Let's go. We got everything loaded up here. We got our fridge freezer for all the road trips and adventures we like to go on. We got everything else belonging to the wife, but I have a whole box here to fill it up with truck parts. Wife stuff, truck parts. Wife stuff, truck parts. Some of you know the struggle, and if you don't, something to look forward to. Just waiting on the wife. I know what she's up to. What are you doing over there?
I'm going to say bye to the dog.
Say goodbye to Maggie.
Gotta get her out.
Ready to go?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go. I think we need more light. There we go, a little more. How about some more? Oh yeah, always good to have more light. Well, we had to come get some Starbucks, as one does. Truck's looking good though. The new decals Mrs. Don's Life put on. I'm trying not to drop my coffee. Okay, gas time. Taking us to Costco?
Yeah.
Why'd you wave?
I don't know. You don't put a camera in somebody's face at 7 o'clock in the morning.
Okay, I'm gonna make this scientific. We just filled up with gas. We are going to reset the trip meter so we can figure out exactly what our mileage is between now and the next fill up with relatively conservative driving. All right, let's go. Let's hit the border. All right, we're making good time. We should be there in about 2 hours. We're in Estevan, Saskatchewan right now. Really not that much to see. Lots to hear though. You can hear my tires just a humming. They calm down a little bit once we get going a little bit faster. All right, we're pulling up to the border crossing. Well, we've arrived. We are in the USA, North Dakota. Now we're headed to Minot, which is 153 kilometers away, maybe 100-ish miles. Okay, we've arrived. We are at Starbucks in North Dakota. We got some fuel economy numbers. You need to change your clothes because you don't want to be shopping in a tracksuit, essentially. So I got to dig through that pile back there. She's going to change in the truck. No, I'm not filming that. And then we will go do shopping things. Now to go pick up the wife. I dropped her off at the mall, which could mean trouble. She's chilly out.
Ice on the vehicle. My
There
vinyl
is.
curled.
You have ice in the United States? What the heck? I feel like we're here every day. Thank you.
Thank you.
What are we doing now? You want to go shopping? So what did that guy say to me when he did that drive-by shouting? Do you remember?
Here?
Here.
Somebody shouted at you?
Yeah, he's like, nice truck. I'm like, thanks. And then he's like,
Yes, sir.
yes, sir. Good morning, everybody, from Minot, North Dakota. I'm here because we have a package coming from Miami, Florida. It's truck parts. I'm not going to give it away. You have to watch to the end of the video, but I've kept it a little bit cryptic till now on purpose, which one does with a YouTube video. So I got Mrs. Don's Life with me right now. We're doing some shopping here on this Sunday. We came in on Saturday. Now our plans were all thwarted just because of shipping delays. So our package left Miami on Monday with the intent to be here Friday so we could pick it up yesterday, which is Saturday, but it is not going to be here It's actually in the city based on the tracking, but it's not going to be here to pick up until Monday. So we had to adapt our plans a little bit. We came in on the Saturday, spent Sunday, which is today, which we're going to do some shopping, and then we're going to go back Monday. Now the reason we just didn't drive down Sunday, stay the night, and drive back Monday morning is because for us to bring goods across the border of any value, it's worth it to stay here at least for 48 hours. Otherwise, we have to pay extra duties to bring things back into the country. So our spending limit increases if we stay here more than 24 hours, but at least 48. So we're putting in that 48 hours just to make the expense of this trip a little more worth it. To me, it's worth it just for the truck parts, and you'll see what we're getting at the end. But this is going to have to be a multi-part video because what I'm picking up here in North Dakota is only part of what I need to complete the whole package. I've already ordered the other part to make it the complete package, but I haven't received any updates on the shipping information for that product. It says it was in stock when I ordered it, but I'm skeptical. So we'll see how this plays out, and I hope you're as excited as I am about this upgrade because it's long overdue. But now we're going to get back to shopping and try to have some fun in Minot. So, hun, do you think this store went out of business or is going out of business, Jack's Menswear, because people realized the mannequins were all female? Maybe.
Maybe.
Is it just me, or when your wife drags you to stores like this, you find the toy section? Because that's really the only place you want to spend any time. Can you pass me my coffee?
You're such a nerd.
It's a ridiculous reference, but for those of you that know, you know. But I got you covered. For the buttoneers out there, we have all the buttons you desire right here. But if you're like me and you just need somewhere to put your buttons, there's no organization to this console. So now I got loose buttons everywhere. That's unacceptable.
It's cold!
How cold is it?
It's way too cold.
Well, we got everything to fit. Awesome cooler, by the way. Now we have to go pick up our truck parts. All right, good morning, everybody. It is our last day in Minot. I got shipping notification that FedEx is out for delivery to the UPS store to drop off my truck parts. So I won't keep you waiting too much longer, but first, as always, we must go get some Starbucks. A different kind of fuel. You were saying something about this fuel? What'd you say? See?
This is the fuel that keeps you alive. It's the fuel that keeps me from killing you.
Why?
But I am a morning person.
That's my wife and my life right there, summed up in a couple short sentences. Well, good news. We just got notified, according to the FedEx app, our shipment has been delivered to the UPS store. So we are going to go get our packages, plural. Good. No. This won't take me long.
That's gonna be exciting.
I just got to make it all fit around your shopping.
Those look pretty heavy.
Actually, they're fairly light for what they are. It just fits in between the wheel wells. Thank goodness for that. Okay, well, most of them fit in there, but we have a cooler and some shopping. So we'll open up the last one and give you guys a sneak peek. We got something from Brink Wheels. Exciting. All right, we got the packages. The adventure isn't over though. Our last task of the day is to get through the border crossing and hopefully not get dinged too heavily for the cost of our purchases, which would include these 4 packages and all of my wife's shopping, bringing that across the border. So hopefully they go easy on us. And then I just learned that there's another surprise that arrived back at home in Saskatoon in Canada while we were here. I wonder what that could be. are 1.9 miles from the border crossing. We are just about there, almost back into Canada.
How long you were in the States?
2 days and a bit. All right, we made it. He's not going to charge us for our overages, so that worked out awesome. Now we just got to get home. Okay, we're pretty much home. We just stopped at a restaurant to pick up some takeout because who wants to cook as soon as they get home? Anyway, I got some mileage results for you might be interested in. So our total trip was about 1,100 kilometers or 683.5 miles. The most we could travel on one tank was about 410 miles on that 24-gallon tank that's in this truck, which is pretty small. That also translates to 660 kilometers on the 91-liter tank. That was the best mileage that we got. We lost some of our mileage, about 10 to 12%, coming back with the extra weight with the packages we picked up. Plus we had a little bit of an incline compared to the way down, just a little bit difference in elevation. Plus it was colder today by quite a bit actually compared to the way down. So you might be interested, that's what we got. Those are some of the numbers. I get asked those questions quite often. So there's a little bit of information for you. Now we're gonna go home and we're gonna unpack everything and wrap up this video. Okay, we're back in familiar territory. We are home, but I owe it to you guys to have a closer look at these packages. Obviously, it's wheels. The tires showed up today. To my surprise, the tracking said they were prepared for shipping, and my cameras at my house went off on my security system, and 4 tires arrived. So thankfully, we got them put away safe before they got stolen because they were just left on the side of my house, right at the front door. But one of my daughters was home and she wrestled them up the stairs and put them away for me. But let's have a closer look at these wheels. These are provided by Brink. They are sponsoring these wheels for the channel. Now I'm telling you right now, I didn't go for the prettiest wheel. I wanted more of that utility look. And some of you might like them, some of you might not. But it's not up to you, it's up to me whether I like them or not. Okay, here we go. Oh, these are sick. Ready for it? Look at that. Oh yeah. These are gorgeous. These are gonna look so good on the AT4. You've also got a nice little cap here. And then we got some black, that's right, black lugs that are gonna be exposed wherever this cap doesn't cover. So we're gonna save all this for another video. And we'll have a closer look at the tires and we'll put it all on because they are a little bit bigger. We'll see if we got any rubbing or have to make any adjustments. But if you like going on this road trip with us, hit that like button. Please consider subscribing. We'll talk to you next time.